Looks like a lot of these stocks like Roku, Square, Shopify, Coin, building bear flags. And actually starting to break down from bear flags. Interesting. Redbox? Interesting. It is flagging. Yeah, it's a pretty decent flag. Man, these oils look like they want to go parabolic. The oil ETFs and a lot of the oil names. UCO is by far my biggest position. It's actually my biggest position ever. I sized down last week, but when I initially bought it, when it broke out of this, what was it, 44 area? Of the higher low space, I had like a $40 million position in it. So it's my biggest swing ever in position sizing. So I really hope this thing goes to 100. I'm just hedging the fuel costs for a yacht. It's all what it is. It's a hedge. Yeah, LMT flagging. This one not so much. LHX is a laggard. This one is very choppy. LMT. These are super slow stocks, but like LMT, you know, this thing went. That was almost a 40% move in like 3 months. That's pretty good. Have I noticed monthly, quarterly and yearly VWAPs acting as support resistance on charts? No, I haven't used because I don't use VWAP on those time frames. Gas. Ripe for what? Guys, get the low quality questions out of the way. You need to follow the instructions on the screen. AMR. Yeah, it had a breakout like 2 weeks ago. That was a 5-star setup. This arch looks good. It's very choppy on the daily though, but it kind of looks good. The overall trend is pretty nice. Vero, what do I think? What do you think? I think it's kind of choppy. It's a high momentum name, but it's kind of choppy. Had a better breakout earlier this week, or like not last week, sorry, late last week. Metzi, is that a cool name? Oh, there you go. Yeah, another one. Looks like a EP in the making. Yeah, Cheike's all the solars look good. Cheike, yeah, sure. SCDG. Look at the flag on the monthly. These things, well, it's energy sector, so that's a strong sector. Or the clean energy ones are up too. They just need basing. Solar, I think all these solar stocks need a few weeks of sideways, and they're gonna have big moves. It's gonna be epic. We're gonna have some 5-star setups. AMPH has a secondary breakout. The primary breakout was 2 weeks ago. If I got much time on the Riva, yes. I've been a lot on my boat. I've been spending a lot of time on my boat. Is CHK a good setup? I don't know. Looks like an enormous laggard to me. All the oils are straight up. That one has been going sideways. Square on the verge of a breakdown. Yep, Square didn't rally with the markets. That's a side of weakness. That's a beautiful bear flag. If you look at some of these others like Shopify, also bear flag on a daily, gap down with the markets, but it kind of rallied back inside of the range. Coin also looks really vulnerable. I'm not gonna trade them, but yeah, those are potential trades. I couldn't care less. CF. Nah, it's too sloppy for now. NTR, MOS. The whole sector has been breaking lower. The ag sector doesn't look so very strong here. It's below the... Yeah, no, I don't like it right now. I'm getting excited about 2 sectors. China, solar. Especially solar. Solar, you know, multi-year flag. SCDG, EMPH. These are the leaders. Then you have, I don't know, FSLR is nothing special. No, this looks like shit. JKS, multi-year flag, and this TAN ETF too, just, you know, multi-year flag. We just need a few weeks of basing. Let the 10, the 20 catch up on these. In a couple of weeks, we may have some great setups. DQ. Yeah, DQ also. Yeah, same thing here. This one is very thin though. X. Yeah, CL. Yeah, some of the steel names look good also. On the weekly, not as good on the daily. This SLX steel ETF looks like it's flagging. TMST. Yeah, it's a thin steel name. Yeah, coal, steel, energy and commodities. That's where the setups are, or are kind of starting to develop. And to some extent China too. It's coming off like a bottom. But China, you know, like this. China bottomed before the US. So kind of strong. China bottomed like in March. But it's in a strong downtrend. Man, guys, you can't imagine how annoying it is with my cat making a bunch of sounds and then some face in chat who hasn't followed the instructions on the screen. And then another, and then another, and then another, you know, it's kind of tiring. All, you know. Yeah, I need to let Luke out. He wants to go out. The problem is it was raining, so I let him in. And it's still raining, but he doesn't understand that. He's about as smart as many of the guys in the chat. Hey, David. Where's David? Hey, David, are you still alive? Hey, David. I haven't spoken to David in a while. Oh man, I need to get... I've been in vacation mode. I've been so uninspired to stream. I need to get back in the streaming game. I've been getting questions for a bunch of like webinar, or not webinars, like trading stuff and conferences, and I don't even know what they're called. I mean, I'm so uninspired. I just want to chill out. Yeah, I need to get back into grinding mode. This net, another bear flag. Couldn't bounce with the markets. Just building lower highs. Yeah, Bitcoin. Oh man, Bitcoin looks so bad. It looks like next time it breaks below this bear flag, it's gonna go to like 10,000. If it breaks below this bear flag. It may not. But there's still, you know, there's opportunity. Like energy has been a big opportunity all year. Just gotta be in the strong sectors. Double arc. Yeah, but it's super thin. That's the problem. Why I sold my AR? I don't remember where I had it. I think I had it here. Yeah, that was stupid. I think I had EQT too. No, I didn't. I remember I had EQT here. But I had Oxy here. I sold it because I don't know. Sometimes I just break my rules. It looks like, oh, I'm gonna get stopped out. Whatever. I'm just gonna sell down. Bunch of stuff. Yeah, I had ERX too. That's dumb. Oh. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Look, I'm in UCO. It's not as fast as the others. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, it is what it is. That's what you get for overthinking stuff. It's so stupid. If I could just... Look, guys. If I would stop thinking, I would make so much more money. I would have so much better results overall. How do you keep your discipline? It's not about discipline. It's about how much do you want it. If you want it enough, you'll be there. If you don't want it enough, you'll give up. You won't turn up every day. Most people don't want it. It's not a lack of discipline, they just don't want it. Okay, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow, I think.